해줘. 성원해 줄래? 성원 감성. 육색이 도저히 옅. 때네 말한 감성인. 달라다가 달로만 그럼. 지지. 여러분 랩지 인티미로 할래. 스피드 쿠리가 루시 인티도. 집회전은 많이 거니까 리고나 따로 가단시키라 독. 때네 스피드롱 따로 리고독죠. 때네 정말 반지독. sombasan dachi global warming second boyne chishi hale matara chik nani lo samji tangmoyon second but urji de na chishi patek maso inna ladasla tarong mosambo ma to mojing macha dugle taina ma sapaji macha na gya samala chepejuna sapana tene mon kono buzik mampoyon ches ya tene buzik mampoyon ches tene jikoram chede cham koram nani rino pongan ma zuna dala tem mishik buzik meten ole nani lo zoshena ngai turakte transpeta machazen mon koram buzik normalment kan soside hale gyare ten buzik minda te machar man machunzer man yongchi manle te samo yongste tene deja je hale shishi ay zudu pachilo nyurla ino tewa shi ino lo chidong shi lole julji dukmele julji chemi dukmele de ba ne chi shi zeme zume na samra chezene te julbe ketena Amerika yutkane te chizchen rattlesnake shngama tar chugan yongchele te jul sushi dukle yana te tene pemena yutkante viper sen pa viper julmani konom chemo te sushi dukle lada sa te zul julji de yede hesam te ashi dukpin duk pam doji parlale tachi tuz minda güje on sentiduk julion duk ju tenechek yerlerin satpa yomeru khale oyan tachi chichi yonchen men pata chashimiru ayo sorry English is just all Julie to everyone and again very nice to meet all of you. And I think some people were, requesting me to speak more in English. The only thing is that because the majority of my followers on Instagram, the people who view, these live streams, they are Ladakhis. So I speak mostly in Ladakhi. Though I wish, I could speak separately, like in an English session. But due to time constraints, it is not allowing me to, do more live streams. And so I try to speak as much English as possible within this, 1.5 hours, which is not much. But every day, it's quite a lot actually. Every day to speak for 1.5 hours to, I think, hundreds of people live, and then afterwards, people who watch it later on, I think it's a little bit actually. But I still try to speak as much as possible in English. Joe. And we are still continuing Shantideva's teaching. Then itarunga tang de jangan mazukla junju punga ta then continue just in ju. Then zotpeliu kama ta then dalenbo izotpeliu titeno then zotpeliu ketana chipejuna tant de mi mon projet chik. Shwe obgalman buitu to hale toujours que chese. Tene zopakazo gongosin na zotsulki komparcha zirkan najina tene tene te zupo chidchen koram na zotsulbo tap na zospa te uchichiyot te untene kane jwale jipsan nyampo shada zaten orele sombasan zul nishi sabji hale sopagom chese yul nishi sabji te samal demo juse shada zaten tene daksata ngata chidchen koram tene seman no chese zot tezane zopakazo gomoshin tekalepten orele. So currently we are going through the patience chapter of Shantideva's Bodhicharya Avatara, and the reason I decided to teach the patience chapter was because I think a lot of people are complaining about anger issues. So Shantideva has very good methods on how to practice patience. Like in the first stanza, I think kalpat shetan tawi dikpa me zupa tawi katumi there is no vice like hatred, there is no austerity, there is no wholesome deed like patience. Tawi zula Nintendo, so we should try to practice patience with various methods, whatever means possible, we should try to practice patience. So these are the means that Shantideva was talking about, and he's explaining, subsequently. Yeah. Then Jivala Zakambo, that to Dunpargapajiga in Dugle. I think Shantideva was from the 7th or the 8th century from ancient India, and he was born in the southern parts of India. Gyara Lochogos Kustam Sintikduk. Then you call Yabe Tanla Galway Kocha in Tigutle. So Galway Kocha. I think his father's name was Galway Kocha. Something like that, I really don't remember properly. But his name was Jivali Tsanla, the name on Machunzani, Shivi Kocha. She was in a peace, Shanti. Shiva Kocha Zanatani, Kawach, or armor, on Chimana, Atachik, Sanchami Boxes, the Kochas and Poli, Shivi Kochas, it to Tene Tajwari Namtar Panchu Kate, Nunji Justana, Tenesh Jivala, Tenechunzane, Tachik, Tenestini Gelpo, Transkahale, Gelpo Transajan Dastini, Gelpe, Juchispeka, Kuriabi, Tenejuchispeka, Torija Potenicate Jivala, Juchispeka, Juches Impina, Tenediring Japeka. Sanlangilama, the Juchispeka, Zujalcalo, Jambian Jalcale, Jambian. So, the Ninjambia Teomolcalole, Pucci. Puchin Dinanga Istan in Des Ganjilunjong Chile, Eastern Bungin, Itiungin, Stan Chiki Kato, Abana Putsangis Kanya Putugana Manostena, Tene, Nina Majel Kalole, Jambian Tizumukanjik. So, when Shantideva was young, I think his father passed away, and he was about to ascend the throne, to take over the throne. And the previous night, when he was sleeping, he dreamt that on the throne which he was going to ascend the next day, he saw Manjushri sitting on the throne. And then Manjushri, made this prophecy, something like, "Oh, my son, this throne is mine, and it is not possible for a father and a son to sit on the same seat." And then Shantideva took it as a sign that he should not be, he should not become a king. He should not ascend the throne, and he should not inherit the kingdom. He took it as a sign. So then he left the kingdom, and then he went to Nalanda University. I think he reached Nalanda University much later, but then on the way, I think he met some teachers and he practiced Manjushri, and I think he saw direct vision of Manjushri, which enabled him to achieve enlightenment and to gain so much wisdom, in such a short amount of time. Then Jivala Chidchenta, then Nigalpe Jutisegata, Mazamula, then Tizuk Nilam Jalbasan, then Kumate Stashik, some Kalele, Stars Pocket and Antenechik, Tanga is Galpe Gership Zumches in Timiruk, Galpe Jogoshi in Timiruk, Tanga. Just Jogoshi into do some said the Gership Fansena, Spekalobale, the Neanchik Jungle Chinakuga, Pomoji Chunin Kansoshi, Tonkerlo, then Tipomania Poyongzina, Tipomoji and Jibun Calore, then it will keep the now, then a jungle Chinakoya, so then Nasanankuga, Titikete, or Teneteka, Home Captain Yazushik, Sampasoshi, Dupasoshi Calole, to Jambian Koran Calo, then it will Tenisivala Zukuang, Chiton Salte, Calo, Kashoshi Don Salte, Tenisivala, and Manakoran Jambian Jaljalte, Chick, Koran, Chidin Koran, Sangesti Kapajupale. Oh, yeah, they pay Jivala, a big cat person in Tiktuk, Dupa, Tenimatan Garetani, Dupchin, Gunin Arsenal, Masida, Kechu Gabjina, Tenan Senokle, Jivala Shantideva Zaganbotani, Hindu Gunitanana, Koramuni Arstitic Duk, Sumbasamadan Beta Yuda Yut, Tenigali Garab Screen of Kuyutik Gale, Sumbasama Zuk, La Market Pachanjik, in Tiktuk, Jivala Jukanbo. Yaju. So, Tenita, Sholoka number of Sum. Sholoka number 53, Tai Sholoka Ulman de Mutupane, Tampujana. Tene, Jixana Zadam, Dangatang, Yaugusteno, Chidichin, or the Sema Nutna, Sema Pochesitene, Chitonshik Nata, Sema. Pokchespeka, Zotpakazo, Mushisin Hawa, Sema Pokchespeka, Zotpakazo, Mushisin Sekambo, Isananla, Tenemata, Lusla, Notna, Tenechik, Chichin, Zotpakazo, Mushisin Sekambo, Shatenople, Special and the Jomida, Bergatans and Soshoyan, berga shoche sumarik jezena berga u pempo inokle pempo zana yusanokle so ito zanokle pempo zana jalak sushi zanok 요 거 알아 아자지 지메kia 거 심바 메키아래 하고 뭐고 유니 팡나 이머진okle 하고 유니 팡나 미지얼geb나 머리 머진 코코라 심바 메키아래 요 pempo zanok 시장마 pempoeno 도아 pempoeno 지 pempoeno 대상 pempo zanokle inanimate object so 심바 메카네 테니스 잘라보는 pempo zanokle 다 berga 거랑 pempo인 파송 당하다 쇼소춘 쇼 메초 먹었어 쇼 berga 쪽스 빨리 제자나 아타 폭치스 berge 폭도노 제미라타 데자 스페잖아 데네 berga 쇼치스 마리 제자나 berga 코왕미 코아창 죽으면 장마메테노 코장마메테노 코미위스쿨테노 빨리 다 대죽잖아 데네 미역 쇼차먹었어 제자나 미코랑 쇼스쿨테노 빨리 쇼스간 봉시켄 망포지게 스쿨테노 데스켄 구나 장마메테노 하고 So right now we are going through the part where we have to practice patience. If somebody, tries to harm our feelings, emotional, harm, how to be patient, mental harm. So previously, we discussed, Shantideva, we discussed the stanzas which were talking about how to be patient if somebody harms us physically. So for example, if somebody hits you with a stick or with a stone, you can't be angry. You should not be angry at the person, right? Because you are being hurt by the stick and the stone. But how can you be angry at the stick and the stone? Because the stick and the stone themselves are not sentient. They're inanimate objects. But the person is actually, impelling. The person is using the stick and stone to beat you, right? The stick and stone are being impelled by the person. Then if you use the same logic, an angry person is himself impelled by anger. And anger is an assemblage of various conditions which in themselves are not independently, they don't have independent nature. They don't arise independently. They arise in dependence to other circumstances, to other conditions. So nothing has independent nature to harm us, to hurt us, right? But now we're discussing how to be patient if somebody tries to harm us emotionally, mentally, our feelings, yeah? Okay, so yesterday, the stanza number 52 was like, because, the mind is not physical and nobody can destroy your mind, right? So you should be, what does it harm? It's a continuation of that one. 대화 데제스는 뭐야다 쇼글 쇼로가는 방압중 나서 니단 직접 나와다 민년바이 직디 릴럽니 버민주나 심지 지스럽던 조 다지 셈타고 루스메트 바상 고창 노다만클레 셈 착체시메캬 루스라고 노르체스노 이나 셈아 장노체시메캬레 시즈나 셈코 루샤만오파 나몰까 나신라 테네 니스나 냐두체스 ale ata nyaduches tikoran magus pachone just nyaduches kuspamet am just ata base de just nyaduches tiksupo tene damedash ku chutagi baba kholaza kanale o ya tiksupo galimine me danches tezuserches ni dan tiksum hawa dan nyaduches am tikanda ganda mata gali danches minyen bai tikde 이때는 즉 신임바 밑간 직지지 좀 거랍니다. 근데 즉 샤든 두간 감미 즉 제리 두간 냐두 두간 미셜마고나 슈 두간 민년바에 직대이 릴라 뉴퍼 민주나 루스라마타 노다만 오빠데 카네가 다시 규즈나 다시 규규도 규르미루 발레 마나 카네 코란 지동지마타 세마 부체스 스페라지즈나 루스라 냐두아도 식수포식 제도 미스년 빠진 같은 제도 루스라노다 마녹사노래 하고 루스라노퍼 민규는 샘키 지시럽던 조 근데 샘바치베 쇼선노래 거창 못 빠지면 요메라빠 하나 샘라니 마노다노 제즈는 루스찬 마노 루스다니 짱 복차스 마노 할래 칸이 지동세는 루스치 노트래 드링서 빠치 미지기 직난 빠서가 니저스테 징마다 지금 주스포 탑빈도 shangdo shangmano pale tezuk shangna tene gali tanze korang mane tene tuba goshe merak pale ti goshes merak pale tene lamsha goshes merak multu goshes merak pale gali tanze ngata mien not pashkal nyana tene shkal nyen cheshi met no mien not pa yam mano pale agwa te uziste no pale lusta chang no da metna tene semba kranchi rasistena kranchi to rasistena chupche de duksisen hale ya ju since disrespect, harsh speech, and unpleasant words, okay, basically things we say to each other to hurt our feelings, do not cause any harm to my body. If somebody uses harsh words, we may feel like they hurt our feelings. They're like, oh, he hurt my feelings so bad. He said such bad words. Oh, I can't sleep now. Blah blah blah. Right. The thing is, like, how can you hurt your feelings? How can you hurt your mind? Because the mind is not a compounded phenomena. Nobody can break your mind because the mind doesn't have a body to break. Mind has nothing to break, right? So, okay. And if somebody says bad words to you, if somebody gossips behind your back, if somebody, disrespects you, directly or behind you, and can't harm the mind because the mind is, mind is, how can I say, uncompounded phenomena, right? You cannot harm the mind. But yeah, and also it doesn't harm your body. How can it hurt your body? So why mind do you become so angry? So why do you, get into this mind, why do you mind? Why do you mind? It's quite funny actually, okay. Mind, why do you mind? If somebody says bad things and it's not harming our bodies, it's not causing any harm physically. So, mind, why do you mind? Yeah, so it kind of makes sense, yeah. Shulakan Wangabjungabji 54. Jenda Dala Migawa, Teni Tsindiam, Tsejin La, Dala Sawar Mizina, Dani Chizitimindu. Yaju, ta mi janmaji ngata matatna jenda ge dala migawa mi janmaji ge tene susola chik chidishen mi janmaji ge tene susola chik matatna teni tsendiam tsejin la so ta mi janmaji ge susola matatna teni itse nankugang ngata chidishen ko zamanokle ngata notpashchalaman ta zamanok zakanbo chidishen korang ngata zertang se nomani ngata zache sosen ngata zostang se manokle hago mago zostang se manok hago miji ngata chig matat kan chona semni matat kan chona chi ngata zaro zamirupa zaro le sechima zaro zamirupa le dala sawar misena dani chi se temindu ngata chang chamanokle hago in tene ngata kaltes kewa ia ishkibina ko zametna chitonshin ngata matara yana kewa stigma ngata chang nochish metna miji galitan se spera suppose se chang nochish manon pale lusane no da miru semla no da miru te man pechutene chang meteno mana kaltes ngata ishkibina ko ngata chang ngata zametna kewa stigma ngata zametna ta zamena zichis ngata zetan se no mane no pashkala metna dani chis temindu tene ngata chipia Tetsoxe, not pas d'autres d'autres cosas non existent, not pas d'autres non pas rongo non existent, agua. Tetso not pas ngatan d'autres cosas, ngatan zo pas rongo non existent, not pas lingo non existent, zo pas rum chesepia, agua mago, soxo nam sa chesepia, chang chamano, migun galit tang nang, iskevin nang kuga zamano, skevastingman zamano. 하고 갈리치동 땅나 슈추테기 제나 바바 콜락 제나 갈락 제나 마나 벨가제나 치제나 마나리 갈리치 땅나 바보 바모 제나 이스케벤나 고마타 조스테마노 스케바스팅마마 타자체스마노 창노다 마노 아니 테니 이테소 노토 치페니네 넨고사노 타 조파 공고사노 루스노 에리 스탄자 넘버 54 yeah 다다 세간의 샷은 내가 오니까 지금 코멘지 딘 마주세 이제 디와릭 딘 마주다 산 지동 시 디도 바파란지 노노지 한테 주 딘 마주세서 이 란 고클레 걸 타운 빨리 유 디와틸렌 말이야 하고 뭐 디와틸렌에 zaman 다 붙살트는데 o zaman chala gaya tiwatilin interactive session bu son sartino ta filal jiu ko tene ngata chunju gi jiwale tene ka Gachus bakazu shidu tene shiloko ba shiloko ngata sonteno le ngina sana za ngira ngune tiwa chang langi no yoteno le kates dembol demoji so lobjong chona temane dirinchi pu mig beteno izupo live stream bu stasio tene champata chamano dawni yutkani ngata chos shatsal kampura nyangu sano yana isati pura ngata lo zumgo sano tonta kora shes go sano tene ngira ngune answer burangini topteno mane dirin bo mig beteno chikstastana da chize tene tiwa minna mindo yono tiwa ngani ka diamaza justen ya okay so because if somebody dislikes you and says something bad to you, if somebody dislikes you, if says something bad to you, basically the translation is not that good, I have to be honest with you. But if somebody dislikes you, when others dislike you, it will not devour, it's a difficult word to pronounce, devour, it will not devour me. Yeah, I mean it will not eat me in this life. If somebody dislikes me, it will not devour me in my next life. Yeah, either in this or in another life. So why should I not take on this dislike? I should take on this dislike, and I should practice patience. Right? I should take on this dislike. I should use this opportunity to practice patience and to cleanse my bad karma and to accumulate, good karma. So take it on. It will not harm you. It will not eat you, either in this life or in next life. It will not empty your bank balance. If somebody says like, oh, you look like, I don't know, you look like a tree, they're bad words. I don't want to say it live, but bad words, right? So if somebody calls you a bad word like, oh man, blah, 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 it's not going to eat you. It's not going to empty your bank account. It's not going to destroy your car. It's not going to, steal your house, right? Just by saying that word. So why not take it on? Okay, thank you. Just be patient. That's what it means. Yeah. We should not let go of this opportunity because it's not harming us at all. Unlike if somebody is hitting on you in the head, well, that can kill you, so you better run. That's why I keep telling everyone to work out, to keep working out, exercise every day, eat healthy, exercise every day, So in the future, if somebody is physically harming you, to protect this precious human body, which is very difficult to acquire, but very easy to lose, you should run. Running is very good actually. Or have a bicycle ready, Get on it. 9 to 11. That's what we say in Hindi. No do gyara. Very important. Stanza number ngapchunganga. Yaju ngapchunganga pa. Tayo kun iskul demo dupale. Kachus kun sana zadang. Tayo kun tenokle. Nipe parchi sebe sir. Tayo ngena kuna tokpa yongcha senokpa. Ta tokpa re jiwale sete ni tewa. Ngata tokpa yongshi chas inok zeste na arguments kuna ngata tokpa kuna toksel chos tenokle. Hago mago. Nipe parchi sebe sir. Kalten dida minduna. Dagi nyepa nder dorchi dikpa thami tembar ne yumal dale tayang suk sang pale 미지게 갈때스 나타나 시그널 빠치동 제스테 갸브네 슈크스테 마나 코르속 보게 코간다이노 코아테가 마땅 코야지야 마차 코만 간다이노 코만에 라마 따블럭 쪽간 코만에 미치 키치가 마드스카니노 코니만에 코랑 막바종아에 껴 코나마 총아에 껴 마나 코아짱하다 빼다메 껴 곰줄록세메 껴오 마네 코만이 미간다노 까랍티노 제스테 데스 민나 제스테 카타 제치 갸브네 제라도 다티죽 제스테 niepe participesir tangata teo samna nietpa zena ngata tene nor gyu chalak taraki chachis penevene nietpa zena tachi nor longchu zanokle hawa duje se ngata nor longchu zanokle nor longchu jongches la parchit churuk zena hawa inopa migune shugna ngata nor longchu da parchit chushi chese nopale mana o balgar bochi tik mano komane chabachu minder exerin dono koisa chagoshes mano mana o ya I mi tik mano o I afsar ko tik mano I hati ba tik mano komane gandaino komane zuntano koi chalak chama izuge no chilo koi chalak sama date wari no mana desushkan ka zerin dugna teni mata jik nipe kane no jik ngata penivene nor longchu chitong tupchese kane nipe kane ngata parchit yongshi chese nokpa nipe parchit chibi chir nipe kane tene parchit chonok zeste kalten deta mindina kaltes nga igosame zena izose migune shachis minda te tik manok zena tenga parchit churuk shukduk nga chitong zena gosame te tik manok migune galita moshis manok minen goshis manok da mindina nga gosame zena dagi niepan derdur ji so ngata me chi nyet pa yutna dagi nyet pa ngata nor chalak shitisi nichi kurtikirdo kurikiremir pole hale 시티스는 갖다 때문에 조라지기는 거 백조스테 지 맞다 가르고 조스테 할래 지나르 조스테 지리chen 거랑 기란 가르고 조스테 지나르 조스테 맞다 아와 다주주마 더와체니 신카마차 기란주 가르치로 지나르주 유 트라그나 람나 람축 자스나 람 람축 야 주스통슈 미 잘락사마테카네 인직스네 잘락사마 강파나 그때네 가리나 때사마 주주 더와체니 신카마 람축 해제스테나 kurte kengen chishi mekya mijigi lakpa chulte laka lepchishin mekya susu kyaba kurte kirchishin mekya shikimala oho ta shiki dukshingse ta 다자 베이지 그 주선 콜락 데모 군 곤테 산달 군다세 브루스탕세 데네 가리 굴리 군 잔디는 거 쿠르테 가리 굴 데모 주서 파킹 조스테 당아 시체신 쿠르테 케르기 수 쿠르테 케르들레 잔디는 거 베니 참 룩나 시티스는 거 판스 샤스노 강바 좀 지탁보 요드나 만하래 실 칠모 요도 실 춘요도 히팅 잔 요도 히팅 메칸 요도 땅라 조식인도 시티스는 뭐르테 차로 빨래 차차미로 대도 주먹을 봐놓봐 봉부지기는 만에 그런 지밀 닭발 간지니 상마 통태 도하래 다 이밀 참 마시스 간지니 만에 시디스는 코르테 케라메다 해 삼세 한 직들 상관이 주자래 이 아직 삼바 당시스 건거니 하고 하노 그 시디스는 코르테 장인 재미 경스간 뭐 나랑 소시는 거니까 포화당 레버노 할래 자가니까 포화당 레버노 이야 좀 미축부에서 포화당 레버노 민열바전에서 포화당 레버노 데리테가 레버전은 뭐니 참 코르테 참이로 빨리 का जुक्सपो खोरा माने खोरा मेचे गं पोष्क्योंत का जुक्सपो को जक्तुंगा तोलासे ब्रशनात का तेने जुक्सपो को शक्योंचे से पिया को खर्जी जिंपु जाद को लाल देमो गुनत का जुक्सपो को इस मेचे गं पोष्क्योंत ते जुक्सपो को फांसे छानले हागो का को क्रीम स्कोट का जुक्सपो देमो जुसे बे क्रीम स्कोट का जुक्सपो देमो जुसे पिया तेने पोमो सोशिना लिपस्टिक स्कोट ता पुजां युटु लिपस्टिक को हा लिपस्टिक स्कोट मेगा ना कुस्को दो ते फांसे छानले 노르초는 또 뭐라고 보라 ཉེꯠ빠고 따고 보라 ཉེ피 버지스 비스르 나 지동 톱지스라 버지 주르고 갈때 네가 민되나 대피한테 갈때 스마이 조고서면 잖아 나기 ཉེ번 들들지 니지 톱지스다 잘랑 노르는지 지르나 이까 판스 차체스노 노르잖아 판스 차체스 나기 ཉེ빠 늘 노르지 늘잖아 시켜원딜라 인직스니까 판스 차체스노 디바다니 템버네로 노르롱쇼 사카네 테 딕방한탄 딕바점서는 딕바군 스탄포 나사노 사노래 하고 테 딕방한탄 코데케라노래 스탄포 나사노 못anyempo 종식 소스테나 이노파 종식이도 유종만해 나 종나 보지간에 립서마선 종식자는 방아테마나 종식 곡배자도 티마찬지 조스티냐 티미 겸을 곡배가 대속시 이노폴레 라시 조스티냐 테네테 라시 주포 지디친 거라 오 딕바즈가 뭐다 조스페가 저트 teoshi destiny matan kurte kerano se sangese molte ke pole teosestano chalagoni kurte kurmen GCP ni kurte kermen tipani kurte kermayen o ya tene kampane kurte kermayen makpani kurte kermayen naman kurte kermayen saketne kurte kermayen chi kurte kerano zana dikpa kurte kerano dikpa tani tembarne hago teosestano dan continuation o istino malde moit. Okay, that was a little bit long. Anyway, stanza number 55. So, if you think that if you should not take on, you should not, that if I'm adverse to it, if I'm adverse to all this gossiping, to all these harsh words, things that hurt my feelings, what people say behind my back, what people say in front of me, it doesn't harm my mind because my mind is immaterial. It will not harm your body, right? Because who has ever been harmed by calling names? No one. But if you think that it will harm your material gains, I'm adverse to it, to the slandering, to the harsh words, and I will not take it as a platform to practice patience because it hinders my material gain. And that's true, right? If somebody gossips, if you're a shopkeeper and somebody says, oh, don't go to his shop, all of his products are, expired. He sells rotten products. He mixes water with milk and feeds it, oh, I don't know, yeah? And he's a bad person. He's corrupt. He lies. He doesn't pay his taxes. Everybody pays taxes so that we have a, functional country. But he doesn't pay taxes. He hides it. And he's a bad man, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, maybe it will harm your material gain. That's true. My acquisitions, whatever material gains you have, will vanish in this life. You will not carry your acquisitions, material gains, to the next life. As Buddhist, we believe in karma. As Buddhist, we believe in reincarnation. As Buddhist, we believe that if you are something right now, you must have come from somewhere. That makes total sense. How can you be something and come out of nothing or nowhere? If you are something, if you are somewhere right now, you must have come from something and you must have come from somewhere. And you must go somewhere. And you must transform into something else. My acquisitions will vanish in this life. But my sin, my bad karma, sin is a strong word, but my bad karma, through which you have, accumulated all these acquisitions, will remain. Yeah, it will remain. You will carry it with into your next life. And then you will have hallucinations, which we call hell, which we call hungry ghost, preta realms, asura realms. That's what it means, yeah? So it will affect your vision after you die. You will experience hellish worlds, hot hell, cold hell. You will experience extreme hunger, which we call preta, hungry ghost realm. Anyway, so that's what it means, and it makes total sense. So it's a continuation again. We'll continue to the next stanza. It'll keep making sense. You have to connect the stanzas. You can't study them individually. Individually, they may not make sense sometimes. Only some stanzas will make a lot of sense individually, right? For example, if you have a problem and there's a solution, why worry? Because you have the problem. That makes sense. And if you have a problem and there's no solution, why worry? Because you can't do anything about it. That stanza in itself makes sense. But there are lots of other stanzas, lots of teachings. They're a continuation. They're a part of a bigger subject. So you must continue the stanzas for it to make sense. So we continue to the next one. And since I can't speak Ladakhi and English simultaneously, since I only have one mouth, so you have to wait a few minutes until I get to the English part. Stanza number 56. Mapchungarupa. Dani tengi shiyang lai lonsu yuring sumi rong. Data yuring ni jurchang chiwi dungal tingi yin tangata yale 미군이 지동선을 틱 만옥 지어서는 띠위스르카니 저스테가 잘라건 토마 만옥 말 놀롱쇼 토마 만옥 때 바치 주룩 띠페 미군이 걸리카나 딕티 만옥 띠가 쇼구 쿠르쿠시스 만옥 소파 공고시스 만옥 자업당 고시스 이노그제나 띠가 노르테 노그제나 그래 지에서나 고마 코나타 가타 시티스니 잘라건 그렇게 캐시시메캬 잘라건 삭시스 베야마다 찌쭈나 마제는 딕바지 삭스노 그래 mana physics space na ta chidu ki ka chala ji kare ye ju ikan kitab jutu bale I kitab tos poinna ya kitab choche ta ki matsa midule kitab choche ta ki murschu inna tene fayda ji us ki murschu pa ton samarik bale chu jonga zon le ki murna fayda jos china mana ki murschu pe chala bu jonga zon sino bale ko china mana de gane ki murs na ko teba nente la mera ka ko market dulzo inokte business chozo inokte inna ikan yespa ji ro mera dikpa ji yote nokle 찌쭈나 마장하던 섭이 죽었어 놓래 하고 다시 김무스 주베 잘하고 그래서 붙송 김무스 주베 잘하고 주바잖아 그 땜심이 들어서 말이야 주바마다 총 당산에 때니 김무스 주베 잘하고 김무스 주바잖아 그 때는 샤튼 때는 그 루시아가 보면은 대수만 놓래 맞다 김무스 주베 잘하고 마켓 둘소 그런 맞다 잘락 뉴치스 송달 주치스 그런 녹화당 치스노 지 Penigo sparte, mata scuste, che mushna faida niente, mane, corang teneka, samjing mata, che muzza meka nyos teneka tsonga, teneko tsonta mashesa nokle. Te umulte nokpa. Mata ji mata chalak samjing sagna, mata dikpelashi mane mekya hele. Ya jo. Ya ta, ngapchu marukpa, dangni tengi shiyang lay, teni ngani, shina dik. Lonsu yuring sumi rung. Itzokse, lokpen sowa tene diringi izuk nirangula izukshik aka upload ching machosa chidi chengkona rinchen chengwa ratna wali tene gumbulu jube rinchen chevena ne tene longso matang kazuga shma na nyampo mata tap shma mise kan be tap shma chalte lokpen sowa jana ching mata chidi chengkona ta lokpen sowa ko jinle lokpen sowa jana ching mata norte mata chalang ne chishik mata chalang nenzo sosu 냥주만나 sembangamste kazuga chalaqtani ngata lokpen sowa nenduk hali teungi tishtaringi aka pultu panyana mun teuzik samtene longsozi kan buton tate kan shesang hali teumal demo teungi na wani tuchu azad lokpen sowa shna kazuga ngata tene mize kan be longso mazi kan bu kazuga chino zikan bo teungi na wani tuchu azad english na pudik miskan ngi disiyot teo rinchen changena gobulu tu mal kan bo duino hali yaju tanga itzokse lukpen sowa chik rusuntangste yodna mekanchoste kasale ngamani kasale nganyan vachinin ba kasale ole nga chik salangji nga matopale sistem kurzuntangse noble yanga ngerang ta chitapono ngerang ta mari inopale ngerang mena ta lalas mektino zirkansor ngerang chak jalachina mane sembo kamsang charazana yawa ta dikwa kyagi piran zikir murchu teba tangji chasen kirmo chonga teba tangji chasen mana yang jema chiduk tene tamane kora nga chospain tene tachi mo nga gompa 장체스 페인 마스 군다 장체스 페인 마스 꿀 장체스 페인 만만 이제 디스크스테 한국 빈이 로벤소 뭐데 젠룩지스 코르스 칸 디스크 노팔레 소야 테네테나 낭진라 양 소소 직 베니 망포 용치스 배양 짐바 Ц픽 당치스레 오 드닝이 냠바자 망포 짐바 당스핀 해서 간저 도네이션 망포 주스핀 해서 했지나 미군이 와 이미결도 거의 청와 짐바 당도 도네이션 주리스스나 양과 이죽식 미참에과 이죽 예도 주치스 파이낸셜리 베니 돈이 예도 주치 쿼티가 송 고민마결라 이노 거의만이 거랑 이죽 청와 짐바 당칸 이노 거의 샘šan서 미망포 짐바 당노 하나 이나 그 짐바 당치스 금상부 ket나 거의 이 길모 승마 당칸에 졌을 거의 길모 마게지 레비나 섬세 대주 저와지가 거의 짐바 당시 야장 당시 때노 팔이 송바산 때마다 로펜 소화하잖아요. 대중한테는 로펜 소화 주소 나만 보용전이야. 되고 다른 약간의 주가 지리진 오 지리진 이주비나 인스타그램에 다른이 업로드 주스들이 대승아 때 특성상은 dem발레 여러분 mikpo 띵지친레 하고 잠시 마타에 이 잠시 공부를 주비 마타에 지리진 스트레일라마 공마군니 tene izuk sangi se chose kan but samjik tembe du zekan bu ani koran demo oni boziksan tene yangchi ngade no pa mata mizikan bahale o ya tene je bale gops korte minda chote mata lokpen so minda chote nate te o lokso zan hawa rutsun tangse tene man mi gops korte tene ino pale son tangis pangzun tangsen mandale ivetsamili o iman metan kinwa dikpale humanitarian te sosin bale ke moshchimanina kase ole yashket man go hale chichona machona te lokpen so zan dani tengi shiang lai I sokse me gops korter zun tangse nya doste jimpa tangkan jose chospaji chokan jose chik palanji chokan jose me gops korte lokpen soa hale kuste mata zen twin duga sangtang yuring semi room ma yuring bo masona dik hale masona dik pa sakse nga yuring bo masori dani tengi shiang lai machine dik ziste nokle tata yuring ni chuchang ta te zen tarung dukste lokpen soba ngata mi gops kon chitong de michering mo lusna dani yuring ne yurkyang ngata michering mo lusna chiwe dungal tengi shizane tena nokle shishise dungal bo dring rang shinang zokse nokle tene toriji ngata lo gyachu kuchu son testing yang zoste mi pene zoste chizur lazakse solja don chise pene zemirlo o te uzanakle gustan chise pene zoste public pene zoste gompe pene zoste chinda kono gops korte soma kono gops korte lokpen sowate chostana chospaji indo business paji indo suinang hali shizani demba jon ko dungal ma yonote innang shishis ko takchuteno shiwi dungal ko tsama yuteno dering shinang ko shiwi dungal yuteno stingni ngata lor gesting shinang shiwi dungal yuteno le teo santa tezu ngata dikpa sakse norlung jo ngata lokpen sowa te zendua santa kor zendua santa dani dering shinel shiang lai tinga dering shinang gyal zesteno le dikpa sakse ngata hale o tezu girung mo dua santa hawa Tuzesteno le champanaano I gunurgun mata pansa chachaseno zesteno ya I gunurgun mata tene topchesla notduk pepia zopamagum shochos ton yashok tuzeno norte no zesteno le hago mago gunurgun mata pansa chagoseno le I gunurgun mata lakpena ko kurte zoen tendukse za zenduk nang mata yuring mu lusnang shizane dungal tena tsokseno diringshi dungal tsokseno na mata lor gestini shina mata dungal tsokseno zesteno hele te santa mata dirinang shina gal zesteno le hago mago stanza number 56. It is better that I die today than have a long, corrupt life. So, earlier, I uploaded this post, which was a teaching by Nagarjuna. Yeah, 3rd or 4th century. Of course, everybody knows Nagarjuna, right? 3rd or 4th century. We call him the 3rd Buddha, actually. Or sometimes we even call him the 2nd Buddha, because he was so intelligent. He was like amazing, unparalleled. He was so different, and his teachings are so impactful. So, from one of his texts, which is Ratnavali, I extracted this, some of these 5 examples of corrupt material gains, how we gain our materials, So, if you look at that, you will understand better. But basically, it is better that I die today than to commit, bad karma by, gaining all these materials, and then living a long life. Even after living a long time, I shall have the suffering of death. So whether I die today, or whether I die after 100 years, after having so many material gains, the pain of suffering is the same. The suffering of death is the same, whether I die today or after 100 years. But if you remain a long time, and if you're immoral, if you do not practice patience by people, from others, And if you think that you should not practice patience because if people slander you, if people use harsh words towards you, it will harm your material gain. So what's the point of living? Eating all this, harmful material gains, a corrupt life. It's better to die today and not accumulate bad karma, because bad karma is something you will carry into your next life. Material gains you will leave behind you. I don't know of anyone who has managed to take, anything at all, any materials at all to the next life. They've tried. The pharaohs have tried. I think the Terracotta Army, what is the name of the emperor? Can't remember, Qing something, from the Qing dynasty, I guess. The Terracotta Army, the king, emperor, when he died, he had all this, armies made so that they can guard him in his next life. No, they won't be able to guard him. He will face the consequences of his action. That is a law of karma. It is not something the Buddha invented. But that's the thing, because many people think that Buddhism was something that was invented by Buddha. No, Buddha's teachings are, why do we always use the word truth in the Buddha's teachings? Because the Buddha's teachings are a realization of how things actually are. That's it. We can argue about it. We can, discuss about it. But that's a fact. The Buddha's teachings, So he saw exactly how things function. He saw the consequences of good karma and bad karma. And then he taught us how to break this cycle. He taught us how to live responsibly, how to be happy, and how to make others happy. In this life, in the next life, whether you believe in the next life or not, there is a next life. And that's what the Buddha realized. Then that's it, you can't prove everything, I guess, There are some things that you just have to use logic. Sometimes you have to have some faith. That's what it means. So it's better to die today than to live a long life, a corrupt life. Because the suffering of death is the same, whether you die today, or after 100 years. Actually, you might suffer even more if you lived a corrupt life, because it says, basically, when a sinful person dies, a person who has committed many bad karma, he or she will have visions of, the hell realms, of the guardians of the hell coming. And it's just a confused mind. So he or she will, experience a lot of suffering when they die. Whereas, a person who has committed good karma, he or she will live a long life. And when they die as if they have slept. They just inhale, exhale, done. They won't scream, they won't shout, they won't bleed. But then a sinful person, they suffer a lot. I've seen this myself. So, maybe you can believe me, maybe we don't. I can't say I don't care, but, I can't do anything about it. But I've seen it, so I know that it's true. I've seen it with my own eyes. It's better to be safe, I guess, than to suffer, And, these stanzas are very impactful. So I encourage everyone to read all the stanzas to make sense about them. And I can't go through them as well as I would like to because of time constraint. I decided to do this for an entire month and to divide 35 stanzas in 30 days. I have to go roughly 4.4 stanzas every day. So it's difficult to spend too much time, discussing about it, question and answers and so on and so on. Actually, there should be question and answers, towards the end of your teaching so that, your doubts can be dispelled. But I think it's better to have questions in your mind, and to know something than to know nothing and not to have questions in your mind. Because you can read the text, like you can buy the books like Nectar of Manjushri Speech and all the explanations are there. You don't need me. I'm just going through these stanzas to throw some seeds, like a gardener. I'm just throwing seeds everywhere. And I don't know where something will sprout, but I'm hoping that it will sprout, the shoot of curiosity in your mind. 이해하죠? 대속인 이 상황이란 거니 로준 곳에서 농아담 보딕 시스칸랑 보디 시스칸랑 라가스파 쪽인데 보딕 시스칸 거니 매ከ미 로준 곳에서 농래 약도 로준 맞아 피톡방인 바탕이 되셔서랍니다. 간테 패치 때네 PUBG 난테네 모바일 난테네 페이스북 난테네 인스타그램 때네가 고코르테마도가 간테 패치 피도가 되는 게 바탕이나 제피실라잖아. 팀이라 제피실라자 되는 게 있다서 되네 도레마 톡 라치네요. 제피실라자다. बस एकदम लो लेवल होले घंटा फेट पितो घंटा पे मातो शुरू को शीचा मान होले so somba sama lozum go sheseno then lozum se chibu dia mano isholo ko sama mane khora ngata mane khora lakpe ka discount lakpe ka mane ngata so tingi bu discount mane khora hale o mobile so sinam ko then stanza sama demo chusingena ko screenshot choste collection bul demo chus borte ja sil go sana le kara chana then tonta pasan pata ndu go sana lo then jiwale so bolte ra zikan boton ta ka san pata ndu go sana hago mago oh yeah gimsan bote zukshigin so now we'll do some prayers. Then during Chosek Chenle, actually I wanted to during Yusuf Sambal Chilo, Oscar Nazampung is coming answer, Pilo Yans Persisting in one to Yanspia, young Stalin Sambat, Mirutai, Companies of Sunchiche, then Josh's Ganda from the Dugle, Money down at Talbana, what distant to Spasamanikoram, Donian met the Queenskata, Money Jigun put a dream to stay, then it down there a shopper going to the shopper. Shopper Tessim Demo, then is Zampo, Campaz and Esmishman Mikale. In a Koshapagon give a band, I give me. Big ganges the Shapagon, Shapagon, Kosan Palangic, Biosa to Tina, Zampe, Shapagon give a Tekanchu. This Koyas percent, Talba drink, this money, Sash, Queen, Chitom Chen, then Oscar Manicona, Canicola, Bantan, Tuction, this was on money. Thought to Pushkansule. And you drink Stein, some Tasamirugli in Zalpin. The Yapilope to stupid, down the Yans Persisteka, Mirgian Son to Carason Yale, Koraniska, last chit on your door. And it is a bit much and conscripted, the big spoon, the big shot there. That's a big Lamojust and Mirka wants a piece, the Mana, Mirka and Kirka wants a big piece in the Moches and Lamojust, Yanamonam, to Yansipia, as she may stand in some belly, drinking standing some in the dog. I actually wanted to play with Oscar and Zampo today, and just to distract our mind a little bit to change, but my two dogs, Oscar and Zampo, in case you don't know, not my brothers, not humans, the dogs, better than humans actually. Yeah, so right now they're nowhere to be seen. I wanted to show them to everyone. I think they are just rummaging in the dust. I get a lot of peasants, pheasants, not peasants. Peasants are people who work in the fields. Pheasants are the flightless small birds. That's the one. Pheasants. I get a lot of pheasants in the mountains. Himalayan pheasants, shakba. And they're very fast, and they make this very nice sound. And Zampo is like, I don't know if he's a pure Apso or not, but he looks Apso-ish. Maybe he's not a really pure Apso, but he's very cute. He's maybe this much. Yeah. Zampo, maybe only 1 foot tall, 1 foot by 1.5 foot, or maybe 1 by 1. That's it. And his legs are so small. And then he tries to, chase after the pheasants, and he's very, very cute. And he's digging the earth, to play with Oscar. Oscar is bigger, slightly bigger, and they play with each other. Right now, I don't know where they are. I wanted to take the camera and, play with them outside. But I will do that maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have to clean them a little bit here. They're very dirty. They have their eyes are all dirty, full of dust, They keep rummaging everywhere, and I just let them go. So they're always, they're not I don't, I think sometimes people, what can I say? Sometimes people, when they have dogs, they're almost treat them like humans. I think they torture the dogs so much. Too much brushing, too much grooming, too much shampoo, too much perfume, too much clothes, just to show off. I don't really like it that much, Dogs are dogs, they're animals. They like to be dirty. They like to play around, outside. So I just let them roam wherever they go. I feed them, and that's it. I also wouldn't like to be groomed too much. Mano, ata kize kam mani khora dandere chik shosha chochise pia chik shasha kan choste naksharik mani disu mani khora tankan choste chik sandal gun pura zuk chokan choste goeka chitom takan choste amchmana teni chik kolak shkon kan choste mani konjo thoreni zango sang shkono gale kitukuna zango sang shkono gale kashigite frog shkon kan choste pomi konchise kolak sori teni mani minda minda chitako iltemo sorti no pata chitong yang competition chitong yojane yang kochona chance to mano pale kashig mani namina tisu chosu burdu paya Тузиспа. Инсками кемакани. Инска гопар паре спуцек шачесино. Сатпа онзане спуцек меткан чочесино. Инскала каржи тупа гамхан чесино. Яша чочесино. Тени инска гамане талбена талцупшкан дуанокле. Десим дуанох. Даре мане зампо хагябне. Биан дурупимба. Биан дун жина марстини ko biang dunjina ko kuchuma potang dule kip zur pale teni chi song sam ya jo ko biang dunjina kuchuma potang mal de wade biang dono teni biang busta sena ko sim chela mal de zampo when he digs a hole he barks at the hole. I don't know why, he just literally barks It's so funny, as if like he found gold or something. No, but it's just dust. But he keeps barking, and then he digs again, and then he keeps. It's so cute. So I was looking at him, and I was like, Zampo's digging again. The mountains here, the hills, they're full of holes. So please, if you ever come here, if you walk around, be careful. Yeah, I don't want you to. If you break your ankle, if you sprain your ankle, it's not my fault. Yeah, like anyway, so he was digging, and and then he started to, and then I said, Zambo, come down, and he started limping. Yeah, he was limping, and I was like, what? I thought maybe he broke his paw or something. He's so small, and he started limping. I was so worried, and I immediately ran to him. I picked him up. Then kampa kelkel churukle. Biang budust na kumugat pa. Akan yongs ne kampa kela kele churuk. Chik bang ta sompele. Chik start na. I looked. There were like some small thorns. Tamazu kap de chechen. Selman chumana. Ri selman tezu pole. Shukpe selman zus purdunna chamana. Tele kan fena zitele. Ka ji mani ko heroin kan saji. Kampa kelchen yon kan churukle. Tele selman wan sik pings pukchi dance. Jako bang pukchi starchus. And he had some thorns, but not like sharp thorns, just like some dry grass stuck between his cute little paws. His paws are so small, and then it was stuck between his paws, and he was, limping as if like, he broke his arm. I was so worried, and I looked. I just flipped his paw and I cleaned it, and then he looked at me. I gave it a kiss, and then let it go, and he started running. Anyway, that's Oscar and Zampo. Let's do some prayers. Today I think we're gonna do Tara. And don't you dare run away, yeah? Shuramaza the Jewish yang. Spelatsar, Tachos Chugit, Tajako, Taborton, Tam Pabjisten, Tam Pilochin, Tam Tiwiston, Mikaiju, Juk Samajux, Demojux, Special on Pingas at hey. Chosil Chespon Kakchasino, Chosmata Homchispon Kakchasino, Chospomatan Yanchis, and Sambatan Chispon Kakchasino, Tospa, Sampa Gompa, Sunka Kakchanino, hey. Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna tell you what I drank. It's so nice. Oh my god. Yeah, Jew. Let's start. Refuge. No page number. Page number mitten of Jew. Then I'm bringing us some of the Shesado. Manamshikuba. Then it is in what the Durman is social chessino. Then it Dorma Carmo. Oh, Taizupale. Young minute to Durman Malusutugia. Doing your off just on chin. So there's only 7 minutes left. I request everyone to come back, join me to pray, Tara, 21 Tara, and also White Tara, which fulfills our wishes. We'll pray it for world peace. Yeah, we'll pray for the poor elephant, pregnant elephant, and its, unborn baby that died recently in southern India. Obviously, we'll pray for all the people who died of coronavirus. We'll pray for all the animals who die every second, all the bugs who die every second. So please don't go anywhere. Come back. I will switch it off and switch it on again. Yeah.